what it is. What's up? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Simone coming back at you with another video. We are in Think Us Later headquarters, aka my room. So you can set your studio up anywhere you like. I choose my room because it's just, I can get in here, shut the door, it's quiet, no interruptions. So you want to start off with lights, okay? Lights are very important for the quality of your video. I got these lights from Amazon. You can get lights anywhere you like. You can use ring lights. You can use these lights. I will list the price down below of how much they are and also the link to the lights. So I usually just turn them all on and have them pointing towards the chair, and that's how we have the lights. Okay, we also have this table here. I got this from Walmart. It was fairly cheap. Also this mirror is from Home Goods. I use this when I'm filming makeup tutorials and everything like that. This tripod, we've had it for a while, so I don't know where it was bought or how much it is. You can just use any kind of chair, doesn't really matter. But the most important thing I would say for starting a YouTube will be the lights and the camera you use. Now, we have a new camera. It came in this bundle box here. And once again, I'll link the prices down below. So I'm filming off of the Rebel SL2. Awesome camera. So it came with the kit lens. Also what I'm filming with. And it also came with a bunch of other things too, which is pretty cool. Also came with this little small tripod, which I'm actually using now to film on. Some cool little gadgets to go with it. Another little tripod, which is cool. It's like a mini tripod. Look at that. It's pretty cool. You can open it and use it like that. Came with the bag. Nice bundle. And then for the backdrops, we have our little set here. This is our old camera. We don't use this one anymore. Okay, we have all of our fabrics and everything. We use fabrics for backdrops. They're kind of thrown in here all ranky and danky. Don't do this to your fabric, guys. But we just went to a fabric store. Here we have Joann's fabric. So this is where we got all these fabrics from. This is a glitter one. You can either go this cream color or gold. It's reversible. Now these sequence reverse fabrics are pretty expensive, but if you download like an app, sometimes they have coupons on the apps. Joann's always great for that. There's this blue one. Haven't used this one yet. There's a red sequence. Or you can also, if it's kind of like up close, you can also take a poster board and hang this and use that as a backdrop. Or you can always pin one of these fabrics to a wall and use it as a backdrop. Doesn't have to be too complicated. I'm going to show you how to set up the backdrops. And also the stand for the backdrops came with the lights. So it was all a kit and pretty easy to use. So just keep on watching. Okay, so here we have the backdrop set up. Okay, so this is basically the background you see in the videos. And this is pretty cool because the fabric is kind of like color changing. So if you want a pink background, you just do it all pink. If you want it silver, you can just do it silver. That's pretty dope. Also, another important aspect is the sound quality. Now, we got this from Amazon as well, but it's not compatible with our new camera. So what I want to do is I want to get a Rode mic, which is not actually too expensive. So make sure you have good sound as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and thank us later.